Welcome back, Crammers, to question 8. Daniel is going to print some business cards. Choose this rule to work out the total cost in euro of the business cards. Total cost is equal to price per card times number of cards plus fixed fee. Price per card is 0.14 euros. We can actually write that down here, 0.14. Fixed fee is 25 euros. Danielle is going to print 350 business cards. We can write here 350. Write down the total cost of printing the business cards. We can see here that total cost is equal to price per card, which is 0.14, times number of cards, which is 350, plus 25. We can actually put this into a calculator to find our answer. 0.14 times 350 plus 25 gives us 74 euros as our final answer. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.